Welcome to Protoshop, the ultimate prototyping hub for innovators and entrepreneurs, where ideas transform into reality. Protoshop brings together the DST Prayashala and Tinkering Lab, the cutting-edge prototyping facilities at Venture Center. Designed to empower inventors, startups, and researchers, this facility provides access to state-of-the-art equipment and expert guidance. Design and Simulation Lab. Equipped with industry-leading ANSYS software and SolidWorks software, this lab allows innovators to perform virtual simulations, test product durability, analyze thermal properties, and optimize designs before physical prototyping. Rapid Prototyping Lab. Turn ideas into tangible models with advanced 3D scanning, printing, and rapid fabrication tools. Perfect for proof-of-concept models and iterative design improvements. Electronics Lab. From circuit design to testing and integration, this lab offers everything needed to create, refine, and optimize electronic components and devices. Processing Lab. Harness the power of specialized processing equipment to experiment, refine, and develop cutting-edge materials for a wide range of industrial and research applications to drive breakthroughs and accelerate development. Optics Lab and Darkroom. Designed for optical research and precision experiments, this space caters to projects involving lasers, lenses, and specialized lighting conditions. Mechanical Fabrication Lab, also known as Maker's Hive, this is a place where one can access precision tools for cutting, machining, and assembling mechanical components. These equipments are essential for building robust and functional prototypes. At Protoshop, we provide more than just equipment. We offer an ecosystem that nurtures innovation and accelerates product development. Ready to build your next breakthrough? Visit Protoshop at Venture Center and bring your ideas to life.